as a misuse of central agency and political vendetta. Now, as far as the issue of delimitation is also concerned, the issue that has now been raised by Mallikarjun Kharge, the AICC president, saying that delimitation will be done based on population, and the BJP and the centre is rather planning to reduce the number of parliament seats and MLA seats in southern region, while the northern region around 30% more seats will be added. And this is now coming to light as far as Mallikarjun Kharge now raising the issue of delimitation.
ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲೂ ಎತ್ತೇವೆ. ಇವತ್ತೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಡಿಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೀಟ್ಗಳು MLA ಸೀಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಂಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ಉತ್ತರ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 30% ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸೀಟು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈಗ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾದು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ. ಇಂಥ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಒಂದಾಗಬೇಕಾ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದು ನಮ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಕ್ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ತತ್ವ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಓಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಊರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಥವು ಬಹಳ ಜನ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನಗೂ ಸುಮಾರು ಈಗ 60 ವರ್ಷ ರಾಜಕೀಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯಿತು. 53 ವರ್ಷ ನಾನು ಸತತವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದಿಂದ.
Well, Imran is with us right now. Imran, the fears that was raised by DMK chief and Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin over the delimitation issue seems to be now voiced by the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge too.
Well, absolutely. In fact, a delegation of the DMK had come and met the Karnataka Chief Minister and also Deputy Chief Minister. Now, over this issue, the AICC President has also jumped in and said that now there is delimitation happens. South especially will lose out 30% more seats than the North. And this is part of, they feel, a larger policy of the central government to undermine the South. And they feel that South is being being punished for doing the population control. And in fact, these southern states feel that this is agenda of the BJP to limit the power of the southern states, where there is more progress, more development, where it contributes more to the GDP, whereas North, they want to have more seats because BJP has sway over the northern states, especially in the belt, where BJP has a lot of political control and exercise it. That's what they feel about it. So this is southern states, are gearing up. In fact, March 22, there is a meeting being called by the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. All the representatives from the south are going there, including from Karnataka.
Well, this has already been addressed before by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah himself, who had dismissed Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin's claim that the state would lose 8 Lok Sabha seats if delimitation exercises carried out based on population census, where he had asserted that Tamil Nadu or any other state will not lose a single parliamentary seat, rejecting the concerns over the potential impact of the process. So that is the reason we are looking at not just the DMK, but the Congress party seems to be raising the issue of delimitation too. With that, we head into a short break.